Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to create a group on Messenger. This is super useful if you want to chat with your friends, family or classmates in one place. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the Messenger app installed on your phone. If not, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and log in with your Facebook account details. On the main screen, you will see all your conversations. To create a new group, look at the top right corner and tap on the pencil and paper icon or new message button. Now Messenger will show you a list of your contacts. Tap the name of the people you want to add to the group. You can select 2, 3 or even more members. It's totally up to you. Once you have picked everyone, tap next or create group at the bottom of the screen. Now it's time to give your group a name. This can be anything you like, maybe family chat, project team, best friends. Now type your group name, then tap save. Now your group is ready. You and your friends can send text messages, voice notes, photos, videos, stickers, and even make group voice or video calls directly from Messenger. It's perfect for staying connected. And that's it. That's how you create and customize a group on Messenger. It's super easy and a great way to stay in touch with multiple people at the same time. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more simple and tech guides. Thanks for watching and see you in